My last video was all about being active and living that active girl summer life. Well, summer's almost over and I really want to make the most of it. What do you think? Should we slow down a little together? You know how everyone's always telling us to work harder, be more productive, fill every second. But seriously, when was the last time we just sat with ourselves and let things be? Not scrolling, not answering emails, just being present. Imagine this. You take a blanket to the park, you lie down, close your eyes, or read a book. Doesn't that sound nice? Slowing down helps you notice the little things. It's in those quiet moments that you realize your own company is actually pretty great. Taylor Jenkins is one of my favorite authors. I have read last 4 of her books. And of course, Evelyn Hooper is my favorite. I am currently on page 89. And so far I'm loving it. And I can already feel that I'm gonna cry by the end of it. Don't make me cry, Tina. रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है हाय बोलो
हाय कैसे हो
Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer
While we are slowing down, how about we also treat ourselves to a solo date? It's not about being alone, it's about caring for yourselves the way you would care for a good friend. Think about it. When you go out with a friend or your partner, you want them to have a great time and feel special, right? So why not give that same energy to yourself? Show up for yourself. Get dressed up just for you. Yes, I do feel uncomfortable sometimes, but it also feels kind of good. It is so important to use the muscle of being alone. So take yourself out to a cafe, order that dessert you have always wanted to try, or go to the farmer's market and wander at your own pace. Or just people watch. I love doing that.
summer love. Washed in every shade of green in all the colors. Summer love.
Here's the thing. Being alone doesn't mean you're lacking something. It doesn't mean no one wants to be with you. It means you have learned to want to be with yourself. And that's powerful. When you start to enjoy your own company, you realize you don't have to fill every empty space with noise or people. You can create joy and comfort on your own. I am in a loving relationship, but I also genuinely enjoy moments alone. I bet you get that too. So if you're wondering where do I even begin, here are a few ideas to get you started. Visit a bookstore or library and pick out something just because it sparks joy, not because it's on a must-read list. Have a picnic with just you. Pack your favorite snacks. Maybe bring a sketchbook or a journal. Try something you have always wanted to do, like painting, pottery, biking, literally anything, without waiting for someone to join you. Go for a walk without headphones, just listening to your own thoughts. None of these are just about killing time. They are little ways to make life feel good, just for you. And honestly, you totally deserve that.
A little bit of summer love.
So here's what I want to leave you with. Spending time alone isn't about shutting the world out. It is about learning to feel truly at home within yourself. Because at the end of the day, you're the one who will be there through every season, every chapter, every version of your life. So I hope you give yourself the gift of slowing down. Go on that solo date. Take that walk. Time is the most valuable thing we have. How can we be happy if we never use it for ourselves?
Golden, I follow only golden.